Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing the brand new iPad Air 13-inch. Yes, the big Air. This is the M3 chip model, and honestly, this is the first time Apple has brought a 13-inch display to the Air lineup. So let's not waste any time and let's open it. First impression of the box. Apple packaging is as clean and minimal as always. You can see the beautiful font DisplayPort on the very top of the box. On the sides, we have iPad Air branding, and at the back, we have the specification sticker. So here it says iPad Air 13-inch M3. This is a Wi-Fi model with 256 GB. It is in blue color. Okay, let's open the box. So we have already peeled it because we got it from Chroma and we have to check it. So this is the first unboxing, and there it is, the 13-inch iPad Air. Wow, that screen looks massive. Let me show you the screen. Let's take this out. Oh wow, it's super lightweight for a 13-inch tablet, and that's the beauty of Air series. We have a large liquid Retina display, which is very slim bezels, and the build quality feels premium. Full aluminum body. The power button on the top includes Touch ID, volume, USB-C port, and at the bottom and stereo speakers. Okay, so let's see what else we have got inside the box. Now let's see. We have a USB-C charging cable, 20-watt power adapter, and the usual documentation and Apple stickers. No surprises here. Classic Apple packaging. Now comes to the specs. Now let's talk about the power. This iPad Air runs on the M3 chip, which is the same chip we have seen in some MacBooks. So performance wise, it is smooth multitasking, powerful for video editing, great for gaming, perfect for students and professionals. And of course, it supports the Apple Pencil Pro. We'll talk about the Pencil little later. It also can support Magic Keyboard, turning it almost into a mini laptop. Also, it has a good camera. We now have the front camera placed in landscape orientation, perfect for video calls. That is big. Overall, the first impression is premium, powerful, and surprisingly lightweight for a 13-inch tablet. I'll be testing this out for productivity, note taking, and maybe some editing. And basically, it is going to be for a student use. So if you like the video, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.